Yeah, if it melted, it would be on the. Yeah, right. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Why do you think he says that you're?
Because he thinks that I'm a moron. I believe that there's no ice in the refrigerator. Because he had the guy come fix it, and the guy didn't fix it right, and he's trying to.
Guy got nothing to do with him. All he did was do the fans
Well,
that
then
weren't
he
working.
didn't do his job.
Of course he did.
He didn't do his job because it's still icing up. You should call him to come back and fix it.
I'm not calling him. There's nothing wrong with it.
No, it just goes blowing out ice.
Coming out the ice maker.
It's a brand new refrigerator. It shouldn't be doing that. We shouldn't have trouble with it. Should have lasted at least 10 years. At least if it was 5 years old or something.
Well, there's obviously something wrong with it.
Of course there is. But he wants to tell me there's nothing wrong with it. Think I'm a fool.
Maybe it's dry ice.
Yeah. Maybe his head's dried.
Maybe.
Because he went in there with the knife like he always does and took it out, the chunk of ice, and then tell me, oh my God, there's no more ice. Didn't even melt. There's no water there. There's nothing.
All right, go look in there. Go look in there.
Zachary,
What?
you want to see the ice build up in
Oh.
that he says is in here?
I already
Oh my God.
looked, and it doesn't really matter to me. I'm sorry.
Can't even get it out. It's all down in here, right inside of this thing.
Well, how could it have fallen in there?
Norm, I can see the ice right down inside of this side of the refrigerator too. Come here.
They shut the damn refrigerator.
No, because you don't believe me. There's something wrong with this refrigerator.
There ain't
This
nothing
thing is
wrong.
all iced up. Look at that.
Oh, yes, I gotta see.
Oh, there's no more. Look at in here, the ice all built up all down there.
What's going on? Is the ice really in there?
Of course it is. There's ice all in every place. The whole thing.
Guys with motorcycles out there.
Uncle Tony?
No, it's not Uncle Tony.
Mike?